Hi guys, and welcome to the Savvy Professor. And in today's video, we are going to find out how to use Airtable for project management. So Airtable is an excellent tool for project management and it's very easy to use, it's user friendly and has a lot of tools that fits best for project management. So first of all, go to your browser and type in Airtable and hit enter. After that, you will see this website that says Airtable, the platform to build next-gen apps. Click on this and here we have this Airtable's website. It's the fastest way to build apps and much more things. And this is the basic website for Airtable. Here, you'll have to click on sign up for free. After that, enter the work mail or simply continue with single sign-on, or you can also log in using Google's ID or with Apple's ID. And if you have already created an account, click on sign in and sign in using your email and password. So after signing into your Airtable, you will see this page, that is home page, and here we have the option to start from scratch. Click on start from scratch in order to create a new blank page and base with custom fields and views. If you want to easily migrate your existing project in just a few minutes, click on quickly upload and you will have the option to import your data from CSV file, Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, Trello, Facebook, Google Drive, Calendar, Contacts and much more. So you can import your data pretty easily in just one click. And if you want to start with some templates that have pre-existing frameworks for you to work on your projects, you will have these options such as project tracker, contact calendar, product catalog, event planning, and you can explore more templates right here. So here we have a lot of popular templates. First one is project tracker, content calendar, and we have some templates in marketing section, product and design, operations, IT and support, engineering. And if you want to see all the templates that is available, click on see all and you will have the option to view all the templates and you can choose any one of these templates for your project. You can just click on any one of these templates and it will open up that specific template in your project section. So for example, I'm opening a marketing campaign template. If I click on marketing campaign, this template will load up and it will look something like this. Just click on try this template and this will bring us into marketing campaign tracking template. So this is the basic project catalog of the Airtable. Here we have the views option and we have review creative option, customize cards. So if you want to customize your cards in the fields, if you want to add for example a new field, you can add it here. If you want to hide it, click on hide all. You can also toggle this switch on in order to view a field. And here we have creative, no image field and much more. So here first of all, create a view. Click on the view option and here we have a lot of fields such as we can create a grid view, form view, calendar, gallery, Kanban, timeline, list, Gantt and new section. So for example, if I want to create a grid view, I can click on it and name my grid anything that I want. For example, if I want to name this grid as marketing Excel, I will name it and I can choose who can edit this view. So I can choose collaborative, personal or locked. So I'm choosing collaborative, click on create new view and here I have this grid view. We can see here that I can select any field that I want. I can name it, I can edit it. For example, I'm editing it this. And if I want to undo it, just simply press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard and that will be undone. And here we can see this pop-up too. If you want to filter it, click on filter, click on add condition and choose the conditions for your filter. For example, where status is not planning, and if I enter this filter, these results will show up where it will fit all the conditions that will be added to my filter section. And if I want to build with Airtable, I can click on build with Airtable and I can choose easy quick tips from Airtable. For example, if I want to set up a Slack message automation, I can click on it and it will show up these steps and these will be quick tutorial on how to do that. And if you want to add or import anything, click on add or import and here you can import a blank table, Airtable based CSV file, Google Sheets, Calendar, Microsoft Excel and much more. If you want to start automations, click on automations and here we'll have the automation list. You can send an email, send Slack message, update a record, and much more. If you want to add a trigger, click on plus trigger, and when the form is submitted, for example, I'm choosing when a form is submitted, add advanced logic or action. I'm choosing click on create record. So whenever someone submits a form, it will create a record here. And if I click on interfaces and click on start building it, I will have the option to design a simple way to work. I can choose use case, provide it with data, and customize and share it. Click on next, and here you can select your interface, name it anything that you want, and choose any symbol. Click on next, and I will have the option to choose a layout, that is list, gallery, Kanban, and calendar. For example, if I want to choose gallery, I can click on gallery, click on next, and I will have the option to connect it to a table. So for example, if I want to connect it to a table that is brand campaign, I can click on finish, and this will create a market automation. And if I go back to data and click on views, I will have the option to group my campaign by these fields. And if I click on sort, I can sort my data according to options that I choose here. If I click on row height, I will have the option to choose the row height. If I click on medium, it will look something like this. If I click on tall, it will look something like this. So basically through this, you can edit the interface a little bit. If you click on add more, I can have the option to add views, automations, data, interfaces, sync, and extension just right here from the campaigns view option. You can choose any one according to your preferences. If you click on automations and click on create a new record, I will go back to automations and I will have the option to choose another automation. Going back to data and views, this is the basic workspace for my Airtable. So you can use this for your project management pretty easily, just by choosing a template and start working on your project anyhow you want. Just come to the campaigns and views and go to your project site and just edit these fields anyhow you want and add automations, add interfaces, and much more. And if you want to add more functions, go to views and click on add or import, and you will have the option to select from these sources and 21 more sources available. If you want to add more, click on add options and you will have the option to add views, automations, data, interfaces, syncs, and extensions. So this was a basic view of how you can use Airtable for project management. That is a pretty easy to use and great tool after you delve into it. So that's how you can use Airtable for project management. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.